I will show you how to get the best cybersecurity protection of your life with DythonAI. In today's digital age, your business is a prime target for cyber threats. But don't worry, DythonAI Innovations and Technology has got your back. Our state-of-the-art cybersecurity solutions provide you with the ultimate shield against hackers, malware, and data breaches. With DythonAI, it's like having a 24/7 security guard for your business's digital assets. Our advanced AI-driven technology can detect and neutralize threats in real time, ensuring your business operations run smoothly without a hitch. We understand that every business is unique, which is why DythonAI offers customized solutions tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, our cybersecurity experts are dedicated to protecting your business from evolving cyber threats. So, why gamble with your business's security? Partner with DythonAI Innovations and Technology and experience peace of mind, knowing your business is safe and secure. DythonAI, your ultimate cybersecurity solution, safeguarding your business one bite at a time.